to another Linguish craft. Today we are going to do woolly mammoth. So here is the mammoth family, okay? But see, they're naked, they're really cold. Really cold. So we're going to give them wool, okay? Really soft fur, so that they're not cold anymore. Okay, so we're going to need glue and the wool, the fur, okay? Okay, so I'm going to give each student a paper so that they can glue the wool on the mammoth. Okay, so here is the glue. Can you say, I want the glue, please?
I want the glue, please.
Perfect.
Thank you.
And can you ask for the wool?
I want the wool, please.
Here is a little bit. Perfect. Now can you ask for the wool? I
want the wool.
Please.
Please.
Very good.
Thank
Here is
you.
the wool.
I want the glue, please.
Perfect. Oh, so who is it?
Oh, it's the daddy.
It's Daddy Mammoth. Very good. Olivia, who is this?
That's Mommy Mammoth.
Mommy Mammoth. Very
Mommy
good.
Mammoth.
Okay, so the goal at the end, when your students are finished, is to sing Daddy Mammoth, where are you? Daddy Mammoth, where are you? And you show your piece of paper. Here I am, how do you do?
Here I am, how do you do?
And you do the same with Mommy Mammoth and Baby Mammoth. Okay, thank you everyone, bye bye.